I needed to create a logo for my brand, Berry Confectionery, so I decided to try out Pixlr, and I'm going to show you step by step on how to create a realistic photo using Pixlr pictures like this one. This was created with Pixlr. So guys, but I don't know, I'm having mixed feelings. I don't know, but we can talk about that later. For now, let me show you how you can do that. Head to Google, type in pixlr.com. At the right side, click on the three lines, click on AI image generator. So at this point, you're expected to input your prompt, which I'm going to drop at the end of this video, either on the comment section or description section. So guys, here I am inputting the my prompt, and I've clicked on create. So I'm going to wait for it to create right now. It's creating, so it's taking a little bit time to create, but you have to have patience and wait for it. So here it is. It just it has generated an image for me to choose. Like I said, I'm having mixed feelings, even though this might look realistic more than Bing.com, but then there's something I noticed about the pictures. They all have long necks. Like I don't know. Maybe you can like it, but I don't think I like it. I don't think I can use this to create the logo that I want to create. But then I tried to generate another one. I think I tried severally, and I wasn't able to get what I like. I had to go back to Bing.com, which I'm going to show you on how you can also generate from that website. And again, they weren't getting all my prompts. Like, unlike Bing even tried more than that. I'm not saying that this is not okay. I mean, everybody's choice differs, but for me, I think I prefer Bing because they weren't getting all the things I wrote, you know. Unlike Bing even included my name on the apron, which was in my prompts, but for this it didn't come out. So I don't know, for me, I don't think it works for me. So I'm going to head back to Bing to create the image that I will use. So for now, this is how you can generate realistic image, from Pixlr. So if you feel it's okay for you, you can use it, because I was trying to create this image so that I'll use it to create a logo by swapping my face, which I'm going to show you on how you can do that also. So if you are interested in those videos, click on the subscribe icon and put on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I post a video. So guys, thanks for watching. Drop your comments and let me know what you think about this video.